traffic ticket is a contract. A summons is a contract. A mortgage bill is a contract. A rent bill, contract. Car note, contract. Gas bill, water bill, light bill, contract, contract, contract. Lawsuit, contract. All these people are sending you all of these contracts, and you're not sending the contract back. Today, we're going to learn how fun it's going to be when you start learning to create your own contracts and sending them back. Let's do this, baby. I'm yours truly, Diva Lorene, with the UNA University and UNA Republic. We're going into contracts today. Let's do it. Yeah.
Welcome to your paradise, the place you long for all your life. UNA University, manifesting all your dreams. With paradise, your land is home. Writing contracts on your own. Protect your loved ones every day. Knowledge goes a long, long way. UNA University for me.
Yes, yes, yes. UNA. Yeah, all right. So we got this coming up, the contract writing seminar. Now, I want to go through it with you guys about what's going to be going on. You know, we're getting all of these contracts that are coming at us, and we are not recognizing, first of all, that they are contracts. Second of all, how to create your own contract when you have people giving you contracts. So you can flip the script. We got to learn how to flip the script. So we got the contract writing seminar. It's coming up on the 8th of September. 8th of September. I want y'all to stay tuned. All right. And also join us on that seminar. It is only $75. It's only $75. Okay. So if y'all know how much it is when we're in the university, you want to be a part of the contract writing seminar. These things are not being taught. First of all, you got to recognize that anything that you're doing with these people in this, what we call it the matrix, all right? But anytime you're dealing with them, you are contracting. When they're sending you any kind of notice, you all think, oh, it's just a note to remind me. For example, when someone sends you a notice for your mortgage, for example, and they're saying, all right, well, you're this many days late and you owe us this and that. You're not recognizing that that is a contract. And not only is it a contract, it's called a notice of fault, where these people are letting you know that you have faulted on whatever agreement you have made with them. All right, so that is a contract. What we want you to do is start, first of all, recognizing when you're getting a contract, and then secondly, learning how to write your own contracts. All right, so that's what this contract writing seminar that we have coming up, you want to be a part of it. Once again, it's on the 8th of September. 8th of September, and it's going to be on Thursday. That's a 2-hour course. For one day, it's going to be via Zoom. Now, I want you guys to, again, put that on your calendar, 8th of September. All right, 8th of September, that's a Thursday. I want you all to be a part of that class so we can learn how to flip the script. I had a session today with a client who came to me about a contract, which is a summons that he got for his child. What we've done with him now, he's learned how to put a contract on record where not only he flips the script on this summons that was sent to him, because that's on public record, well, now he can make money off of it as well. It goes on your credit. So you learn how to, first of all, recognize, oh, this is a summons. Not only is it a summons, it's a contract, but not only is it a contract, it's a financial instrument, all right, that has a value, that's on public record. Well, what we're going to do is learn how to write the contract so we can take ownership and claim of that financial instrument. And then we're going to learn how to create the contract that gives it value. And then once we learn how to create these values, we're going to learn how to put them on record. such that not only does it create value, but it shows up on your credit record. All right, so you gotta learn how to write contracts, because that's what this whole game is about. I've told you all about, we're talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a system of contracts. That's what it is. You have this coinage that doesn't even have a physical value. What's tied to it? A contract. A contract. So you want to learn how to write contracts so that when you come into contact with these people who are giving you contracts, you can flip the script. What we're doing now is we're taking advantage of the fact that we're being charged. Well, good, charge me. And then I'm going to take control of that value that you're trying to charge me with. So these are some of the great things that we're coming into as we learn how to contract, all right? We learn how to put our own documents on record. And then we just learn how to stand in law, all right? So I want y'all to stay tuned. We got a lot of good things coming up. My people, for the business asset management, line up and line in. Line into the university for the business asset management. We're getting ready for that. Y'all stay tuned. We got a lot of stuff coming. I'm yours truly, Diva Laree, with UNA University and UNA Republic. I love you. I'm going to see y'all in the university. Don't forget the 8th of September, Thursday, 2 hours, 1 day. See you there. Diva, I'm out. Bye. Yes, yes, yes. UNA.